Just feel, there it is. That's it. And right in here, so I'm gonna come this way, kind of drop this left shoulder. Good. Excellent. You can just feel that ball.
Yeah,
right
I
there.
can
That's,
feel that too.
yeah, that's the scar tissue over that joint. So we're just gonna come and just real lightly, just bring our fingertips and come up that way. That's perfect. Now just a little lengthening of that. Excellent.
It's
So the pain is, this is where it's pulling on you when you're working, right? So you have that scoliosis here, quite a bit in the upper back, coming through, and it's a double curve that comes right through that thoracic spine. So then that means the muscles have to work a lot harder to hold up for the structure that's not. Then when we look at your neck, you have a reverse buckled curve, but you can see all these vertebrae look great. It's just this area where the vertebrae are getting locked up, that's where you're getting the arthritic changes, but that's adaptive physiology for the spine being stuck, okay? Meaning it's not moving right. So what we need to do is we need to get in with the adjustments, get that moving, right? Get motion. That's what I'm gonna do. And then what you're gonna do at home is we're gonna fit this, it's called a DEGENERATIVE, and you're gonna use a medium. And it's kind of an orthotic for the neck. So you're gonna bring it over here, and we're gonna show you how to do this in just a moment, but it's gonna be placed right here. That's our placement. And your head, the weight of the head will go over it. And there's a certain exercise to do it. And then what will happen is when it's stretching, it'll start putting pressure on this anterior part. And there's a thick ligament called the anterior longitudinal ligament right there. It's all very tight right now. So what that will do is it'll start stretching that, and you want to eventually get you laying on this up to 20 minutes. So the sweet spot's right around 15 to 20 minutes, about 18 minutes, and then I'll get maximal, they call it creep and lengthening of that ligament, so it'll actually hold for a period of time. So we're going to do that. The goal is for sure once a day, twice a day is great, but then once a day for sure, okay? And we're doing the repetitive wall traction. This is to distract and put a force into that curve, and you just do repetitions.
Oh, so you got it in the dark.
I got another one already.
So it's going to lengthen it and actually start that curve a little bit. You want to do this 60 pumps before you do the DEGENERATIVE, okay? Okay, so we have that curve, so we're going to take care of that. And this. So we're going to have you lie on the side face me. We're going to leave that down because we're going to come right through here. Just like that. I'm going to bring it all the way over this way. And you won't fall. Come right here. Good. Just feel, there it is. Sit up for a moment. Okay, so remember that curve. So we're gonna open it up and adjust it, set it. We're gonna open it up in the lower one. So we're gonna come in here, loose grip, and elbows down below your chin. That's it. And right in here, so I'm gonna come this way, kind of drop this left shoulder. Good. Excellent. I'm gonna come and I'm gonna open it this way. Right. And lie your back. Now we have that C6 way down here. So we're gonna take care of that. You can just feel that ball.
Yeah,
right
I
there.
can
That's,
feel that too.
yeah, that's the scar tissue over that joint. So we're just gonna come and just real lightly, just bring our fingertips and come up that way. That's perfect. Now just a little lengthening of that. Excellent. Now because you have so much that's happening at the brachial plexus, we're just coming and check these joints. Yeah. That's fine. now, what we're going to do is we're going to sit up for a moment, face that way. And this, when I use this, is actually an adjustment. I'm coming right into that joint. We're just going to kind of come over this way so we get an adjustment force. You hear how we doing that? Feel that?
Yep.
Perfect. Excellent. Now, I'm just going to go right. I'm going to get this out of the way. Go a little lower. I want you to feel this. Nope, you stay there.
Lower.
Just like that. Okay? And how's that feel? You should feel pressure right in there.
I do feel pressure
Yeah.
on the back of my neck, yes.
Yep, it's going to feel like it's just a lot of pressure on that spot. So,
Yeah.
but that's why you go up. You're going to do this. Start off with about a minute, 2 minutes. Your tolerance.
Okay.
Kind of go up about a minute each day if you can, but it's your own tolerance until eventually you're going to get up to that 20-minute mark.
Okay.
Okay, but you go up on your own speed because it may get a little sore. As you're doing this, you can tuck your chin a little bit because you're going to feel it more. Feel it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
you come like that and you press your elbows to the floor. Feel that? It's
Yeah.
really focusing on that. And you periodically hold that for 30 seconds and then relax it. 30 seconds, relax it. And you can do that several times, but like when you tuck your chin, you're going to put a lot of force right into that spot.
Yeah.
Don't tuck it real firmly, just enough to get a contraction.
Okay.
Okay? Now when you finish that, you want to take a break on that. Now relax your arms, put them to your side, open up your palms, and I want you to open them up this way.
This one.
I want you to reach down this way as you squeeze the shoulder blades down that way. Okay, feel that? See how it's aligning the head of the humerus into the socket again. So it looks really good this way. So you're gonna reach that way, and it's gonna be stretching out of your socket, but then squeezing through the back. Feel that?
Yes, I do.
So you do that, hold that 30 seconds periodically. Now this is once you get up to, you're getting 10, 20 minutes in there. You're gonna be able to do quite a few of these.
Okay.
And that's all working in the postural muscles in there, while this kind of gives you more bang for your buck while you're just lying there.
Okay.
And let's say if you do some of these and you just kind of get tired, then you can just lie there, close your eyes and take breaths and relax, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so when you come out of this, you're gonna hold your head. Go ahead and hold it. And if you don't, you're gonna kind of slide that out and let your head go back down. Make sure everything's okay. You have your head turned side to side. There you go. And just relax. Now feel that?
Yep.
Okay, so then that's so you know it's just not gonna spasm up. You
Okay.
kind of get it reacclimated because you put a lot of stress in that ligament in that area to make a change in the curve, right? Okay, so that's what we're gonna be doing.
Okay.
So, now any questions?
No,
Okay?
thank you very much.
You're welcome. Come on up.